Welcome back to Quiz Moose. Are you ready to test your knowledge? Can you guess the bird by its feather? Here's the first question. Don't rush. It's macaw. Can you guess? Flamingo. It's an easy question. You are correct. It's peacock. Can you guess the bird? It's owl. It's a simple one. You are correct. It's eagle. Are you ready to answer this one? It's a duck.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Can you guess the bird? It's a crow. Which bird's feather is this? Goose? I think it's a simple one for you. It's ostrich. Here comes the next one. You are correct. It's a hen. Next one. Time's up. It's a crowned crane. It's a tricky one. It's a griffon vulture. Can you guess? Pelican. Can you find bird from its texture? It's turkey. It is world's smallest bird. Are you ready? Hummingbird. Can you find the bird? Rooster. Congratulations! If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more videos.